was listening to the ocean. I saw a face in the sand, but when I picked it up, then it vanished away from my hands. Down. I had a dream I was 7, climbing my way in a tree. I saw a piece of heaven waiting impatient for me. Down. And I was running far away. Would I run off the world someday? Nobody knows, nobody knows. And I was dancing in the rain. I felt alive and I can't complain. But now take me home where I belong. I can't take it anymore. I was painting a picture. The picture was a painting of you, and for a moment I thought you were here, but then again it wasn't true. Down. And all this time I have been lying, oh, lying in secret to myself.
But it feels like that way.